Can you help Mommy clean? Where do we put him? Good boy. Here. Let's put him in. Good job. Good job. Look at you. You're not even one and you're cleaning. Yay! Good job. Dane. Dane. Yay! Let me see. Yay! Oh, you're cleaning. Your Nana will be so proud. Are you done? Hey. Say yay. How big is Dane? Oh. Here, one more. Can you put that away for Mommy? Good job. Hey. You are a great cleaner. Yay! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.